Online students, am I audible now? Okay, now. Okay, students. Now we'll start the session. I hope in the previous session, we started with what concept, guys? If else, if, else. Have you practiced it? Comfortable with that? Are you practicing by seeing the statement and typing or closing the book and typing? Closing the book and everybody doing like that? Girls, how you do? Seeing and typing? Seeing and typing, eating chewing gum, chatting messages, like that? Correct, na? Not like that. Okay, good, sincere. Okay, now we'll start with the another most important topic. We'll enter into match case. We'll go for it. Another important topic, match case. Let's start with, see that the purpose of conditional statements or branching statements is that to perform either X operation in the case of true or perform Y operation in the case of false only once. In Python programming, we have 4 types of conditional statements. Come in, mom. They are: number 1, simple if statement, if else statement, if else statement. And now what? Match case statement. Now we are going to enter into the match case statement today. See guys, now we are entering into the match case statement. Careful students, try to understand what is the use of match case statement. Now, first of all, it is one of the match case is one of the new facility, new feature, come in mom, new feature in Python 3.10, Python 3.10 version onwards. Come in 3.10 version onwards. Okay. That means it is not there in where? Python 3.9. Python 3.9, it is not there. It is available from Python 3.10 onwards. So here, match is a keyword. It's very important, students. This few months back, I hope in the last year, when it came into the picture, Python 3.10, I used to cover all the new features when new version is coming. So in the last year, when this version is coming, in the last year, October, this version has come into the picture. That time, match, this is one of the most useful thing. Try to listen. So match and case are the 2 keywords. Match and case. Match and case are the 2 keywords. Carefully follow. Are the 2 keywords. But at present, they are not keywords. What is the significance of that? What is the meaning of that? Let's follow. If I come to the python.org, the Python 3.10 still under bug fixing stage. Come to the point back. Here, if you go to the full view, full downloads here, few downloads here, 3.10, 3.10 and then 3.11, both of them are under where? Bug fixing stage. Still not finalized. Still it is not finalized. Still it is under a documentation format. So the most secured things are what? Most secured things are what, you know, 3.9 and this 3.8. Even companies are using 3.8, 3.9 and 3.7 only. 3.11 and 3.10 still it is not under use. And dear students, since it is in the same 3.x only, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, everything carried in where? 3.10. When near future, when you become after a 20 years experienced person, 4.x may be coming. 4.x will come, or after at least 10-15 years after, 4.x will come. So I'm going to conclude my sentences. Anything is under bug fixing stage. It is a scenario in the industry. Anything is under bug fixing stage. Up to that, if any feature is faculty is explaining, they should not say directly they are called what? Keywords. They should not say that they are keywords. What they are called? Definitely when 3.10 comes under secured, match and case will become keywords. There is no doubt in that. Please go to once. Please go to once. Here I am going to say. Python command prompt you take it. Python command prompt you take it. Now I am writing. Match is equal to 10. It is allowed. See guys, once again. If is equal to 10, error now. Else is equal to 20, error. What it indicates? If and else are called what? Keywords. If and else are called keywords. That's why it is called error. While, if I will write it, if I will write it, is equal to 3.4. These are all called errors. Match is equal to 100. It is not an error now. At present, it is not an error. In coming days, when bug fixing stage is finalized and it is going to become secured, that word match will become keyword definitely. So right now it is not a keyword. This is the one you have to remember in the upgradations of Python software. So I'm going to take student C, match. I'm going to take it value printed called what? 100. But as a faculty, I would like to give this type of intimation about this upgradations. So at present, even if the faculty ask you, even if the interviewer is asking, if they type like that, if they show you like this, match is equal to 10, 100 and printing match accepted now, these are keywords not accepting like this. If they ask, you have to show immediately, go to the website and downloads, view full downloads here. And 3.10, 3.11 is under what? Bug fixing stage. Anything is under bug fixing stage. If any new kind of keyword is adding, that is still not made as keyword. Once it is finalized as what? Secured, that things will become keywords. I hope you understood me, right? Okay, students. Let's go to the back. Match and case are the two keywords. What are the use of this match case? When should I go for it? Actually, they designed this match case for the purpose of, now I am writing, the purpose of match case statement, match case statement is that to deal with pre-designed conditions, pre-designed conditions or menu-driven applications. Have you heard about any time menu-driven applications? Come on. No. So the meaning of menu-driven application is something like this. You please spell out once what this word is called. Pre-designed conditions. Once again, right. Suppose if you go to a hotel, general example. If you go to a hotel, don't tell this example when you go to interviews. Right? To enter into your brain quickly. 1 for so-and-so, 2 for so-and-so, 3 for, 4 for, 5 for, like this. Right? Who is this? Sharad Chandra. My dear student, Manish Chandra. My dear student, you send the same type of doubt again and again. Already you sent 2 to 3 times. Sir, I am unable to install PyCharm in my laptop. Will you please tell me how to install PyCharm, please? My dear student, I hope you installed now. You are trying to install after my explanation of 15 days back or at least 10 days back. It's not good, student, because whenever I say in the class, immediately within the hours you need to practice so that you can understand. After I explain, if you start doing that, it is definitely troubles you will face. So, for you only, I need to waste my time on telling this. And you wait, Manish Chandra, you wait until until the class is over. At the last, I will show you how to install it. Manish, are you okay? So, Manish, are you there? right? Last I will show you. For you only I will talk to you. There I will explain. So far you did not read the notes, correct? So far you did not open the notes. Am I correct? Tell me honestly. I just want to find out. You did not open the notes, right? Honestly, I want to know. Manish, practicing no, na? Not practiced so far, correct? Not practiced. No, sir. No, sir means not practiced, huh? Then if you practiced, then where is the problem? Okay, you practiced already now. Where you practiced so far? Where you practiced so far? So if I entertain such type of doubts in the class, it's my disturbance to the class. So in KLDT, that Paicham. What is KLEDT? I have to search in dictionary also now. So now let us come to the topic. Now I'm going to introduce to deal with what? Pre-designed conditions. And next is called what? Menu driven. Menu driven. I practiced that in Word, MS Word. I practiced that coding in Word. MS Word, okay. Oh, MS Word, he practiced it. Did I explain that? What can I say, my dear student Sharat Chandra, Manish Chandra? Please, if anybody asks you who said to practice in MS Word, you will tell my name, correct? So, Manish Chandra, you are in a danger zone. You speak to me. You speak to me at the end of the class. Be in the class until I finish my class. Now, so coming to the point of it, be in the class, I'll talk to you. Huh? Why am I coming to you and standing in front of you? Nothing, student. I'm very friendly with every student. But only thing is, I will speak openly. That's why you will fear a lot. Open facts, I'm saying. If you say wrong, I will say openly. You are wrong, I will say compulsory. Wrong is wrong, no? So, don't fear. When I am here, then Python is here. Really, I am only speaking to my students very closely if you come and speak. If you don't speak, I don't speak. If you speak to me, I will speak to you. Okay, anyhow, Manish Chandra. So, time is delayed for you, 5 minutes. I'll continue. Match case statement. What is this now? To deal with what? Pre-designed conditions. Now I'm going to take some small example here. Some small example. I'm talking about implementation of what? Implementation, or I will go for what? Syntax of what? Syntax for what? Match case statement. Match case statement, I will go for it. Match case statement I am going to introduce. Let us start with match case statement. Right, students, please look at that. So, coming to the, before writing the syntax, students, I'd like to take one small examples. So, now I'll go for it. Some small case, some case study one. I'll do one case study in the class. You must take another case study as a homework. Please follow me. What is this word? Once again, please read out. Pre-designed conditions or menu-driven applications. How do you deal with this? Now I'm going to take up. Look at mom. I'm taking one small like this. Arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations I'm taking. So just observe it. Pre-designed conditions I'm taking. What is this now? Number one is called addition. Number one is called addition. Number two is called what you know? Subtraction. Number three is called what you know? Multiplication. Multiplication. And the fourth is called what? Division. Division. Okay. Number five is called what? Modulo division. Of course, floor division is also taking inside of that only. No issue at all. Okay. If you want, you can write floor division. Okay. Floor division, I will take it. Floor division. Sixth, I will take it what, guys? Modulo division. Modulo division, I will take it. Modulo division. And seventh, I will take what? Exponentiation. Exponentiation, I'll take it. And eighth, I will take it as what? Exit. Exit. See, we are slowly coming to any kind of organization related project is there. How to develop with Python. Suppose if you go to ATM operations, 1 for, 2 for, 3 for, etc. Last enter your choice. Now I'm going to take what? Enter your choice. This type of appearance of the application comes under what? Menu driven application we can call. This is called menu. These are all called what? You are not writing any conditions by yourself. These are already pre-designed. When you go to a hotel, they are saying what are the items present in that. They are already designed the menu. From that menu only you need to select it. What are these? How many pre-designed conditions are there? 8 are there. Now, each operation, addition is an operation qualified with a value called what? 1. Subtraction is an operation qualified with a value called 2. Multiplication is the operation qualified with 3, next 4, next 5, 6, 7, 8. Any menu driven operation you are designing, that menu driven application will contain what? Certain type of unique IDs must be given. Those unique IDs in real time, we will take it as which type? Int type we will take it. Which type we will take? Int type we will take it. We can also take it in the form of what type? str type you can take, or char type also you can take. You can take even what type also? Bool type also you can take. When I come to bool type, only 2 things I can take it. True and false only I can take it. Correct? True and false only I can take it. So it is not, I can take int type, str type and bool type, but I cannot take it what type? Float type we cannot take it. Can anybody answer it? Why float type cannot be taken, students? Uncertainty. Very good. Uncertainty is available because if I take 2.4, it is not 2.4. It is internally containing some other kind of value will be there. 2 point some value will be there. So nobody will take the float as what? IDs for our menu driven conditions. These IDs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are called what? Case labels we can call. Spell out, ma. Case labels we can call. Case labels must be what type? Int type, str type, char type, or it can be what type? Bool type. Are you able to follow me? So what is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are called? Come on. Case labels they are called. Case labels they are called. Case labels are what type? Int type, float type, int type, char type, string type, bool type, but it is not float type. Shall I move forward? Okay, students. One more case study I will keep it. Both of them you need to implement in the class. So I will give you some case studies like this you need to do. Case study 2. What I am going to do now? Come on here. Figures, areas. Figures, areas I will say. Figures area. Figure areas I will take it. What I am going to take it, students? Here I am going to take R for what is this now? Rectangle. R for rectangle. Next is called what? S for what, you know? S for square. I will take it S for square. S for square. Next I will take it what? Something like, you know, C for circle. C for what? Circle. Next T for what? Triangle. T for I will take it. T for what? Triangle. So I am writing here T for triangle. Enough. Now I'll go for what, you know, last part is called what, you know, E for what here? Exit. And dear students, all the case labels must be unique. Suppose if I give same R, which one will be taken? Latest one only will be taken. So here you should not take any case labels as duplicate. Now here you see R is there, S is there, C is there, T is there, E is there. So these are all called what? STR kind of case labels. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are called what? Int case labels we can call. Sir, how we can implement it? No case labels must be duplicate. All case labels must be unique. Can I write the syntax now? Come on. Here I am going to implement one small code. I will write it. So Some general English level I will write it. What is your choice, ma? How do you get this word here? I will write it. Just I am trying to write int of, come on, input of, what is this now? Enter your choice. What is this now? Enter your choice. What is the value of CH? What is the value of CH end user will enter? Either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, they will enter. Correct or not? They will enter any one of these labels. There is a chance you may ask a question. Sir, they will enter 44. What I will do? I will tell you all the things in the class. Today, complete class, I will discuss about that only. Now, see students, CH is equal to int of input of what? Enter your choice. After that, I can happily write this type of things with if also, if else also, if elif also. But to write a clear and readable code, it is better to go for which operation? Match case. Instead of writing a clumsy code and unreadable code and confusing related code, if you know the subject very well, you can write any of the approach. But I better to go for what? For clarity in writing the code, I will go for what? Come on, I will write what? Match. What is the variable you are taking? CH. What is your choice? Any one of it you are entering. Match CH. What are you writing? Indentation symbol. Indentation symbol must be followed the indentation. Case 1. Case is a keyword. Match is a keyword. But right now it is not keywords. But I told you the significance of that, when to say keyword and all. Case 1, colon. What is this one? Case label name you need to write. That label can be either integer type or it can be what? str type. Case 1. I will write what code, ma? Code for what? Code for addition, right or not? I will write the code for addition. You know how to write the code for addition, right? Similarly, I'll go for what? Case 2, same to colon. Write what here? Code for sub. Come on, extend. Case 3. Case 3. What I'll write it? Code for multiplication. Code for multiplication. Case 4. What is the case 4 here? Code for division. Next I will write it what here? Case 5. What I will write, ma? Code for floor division. Floor division. Now I'll write next is called what? Case 6. Like that I will write it, my students. Code for what? Modulo division. Next I'll write it. Case 7. Case 7. What is the case 7? Code for, come on, exponent. Exponent. Now next, case 8. Case 8. What I do is, I will write the code over there. What is the code I will write it? Exit means what? Physically stop the program and come out of it. For that, first time I am using here exit off. Exit off. Some students, they will be thinking, already I used in my explanation, break is also one transfer flow control statement is there or not. They will think that break, but break is not, should not be used here. If at all you use break here, you will get syntax error. Break to be used only inside the loops only. You cannot use inside this is not a looping statement. Today, you don't worry about that exit. I will explain with a more perfection what is the difference between exit and break. I'll explain because we are in the discussion of what? Conditional statements only. Next looping after the transfer flow. Combination of all of them. So many examples I will tell you with the combination of it. Exit, function exit off. And next after that, what will be there? How many choices are there with me? 8. All of them are written. I'll say here some message I will say. What is the message I'm saying? Just I'm writing here. Thanks for using this program. Thanks for using this program. And I'm exiting. Suppose when you say exit from your transaction in the ATM. Thanks for visiting this ATM. Thanks for visiting this ATM. Some message will be given. Welcome again for that or something else like exit. Suppose all of a sudden I am entering my choice as 12. What is the flow? What is the value of CH? Take for example 3. For example, what is the value of CH? Come on, 3. Where it is going first? Match. Match of what? 3. PVM will go to which case? Case 1. Is it matching? No. Next go to which case? Case 2. Is it matching? No. Go to where? Case 3. Is it matching? Yes. Execute what? Code for multiplication and come out and execute what? Other statements in the program. It is looking like a if-elif statement. It is looking like a if-elif statement. Will you understand me? So, suppose I am writing case 6. Little bit faster. Where is the PVM going to? Which line? 35. Line numbers I want. Go to which line? 36. Matching? No. Go to which line? Matching? Go to which line? Matching? Not matching. Go to which line? 42. Matching? Go to which line? 44. Matching? No. Go to which line? 46. Matching? That CH value compared with your case label. Matching. Execute the modulo division. After that, execute what? Other statements in the program. Did you understand, students? Now, I'll write it here now. 16. 16 I wrote it. 16. Is it matching with any one of the case labels, sir? Not at all matching any one of the case labels. If anybody enter like that, if you enter 16, no output will come, just it is going to show empty. Right? Now, if I enter 16, it is the responsibility of the programmer to say what? Your selection of operation is wrong. Try again, I need to say. Correct or not? If I enter 232 is your choice. Do you have 232 label here? That's why under match case, there is one more type of thing is there, students. What is it, you know, students? What you know? Case underscore. Case underscore. There is no label is given here. Case underscore. Case underscore is called what? Default case block we can call. Spell out, ma. Default case block. Writing default case block is optional. Default case block. Default case block. This is called a default case block. When to write it? After writing specific cases, last we need to write what? Default case block. That is the syntax. You cannot write the default case block in the beginning of the match case, middle of the match case. You have to write in the last only. Why I should not write in the beginning, in the middle of it, my dear students? If I write in the beginning like that, everything is comes under what? Matching with that only. Not writing anything means everything is matching there only. So which one to write in the matching? Where should I write the default case block? Last I need to write. Are you following me? So in this place, I will suggest here. What is the message? What I should say? Recommended message I will give to the end user. What is that, students? Your selection of operation, your wrong, try again. Try again. Are you able to follow me? What is this is called? Default case block. Writing is mandatory or optional? Optional, but recommended to write. Mandatory means compulsory to write it. But is it mandatory to write? No, it is recommended. Optional means I may write, I may not write, but it is recommended to write. When I write it, it is going to be given the message to whom? Message to whom? End user, saying that what he entered the selection is choice is called wrong. Did you understand this? Can I write the syntax now? So what is the match? Here, how many things we come across here? One match came, one case with came, and one more is called what? Case underscore came. What is this case underscore is called? Case with the label is called what? Specific operations we are doing it. So come to the syntax, students. Come on, mom. Match of, I am writing choice expression. What is that? Choice expression. Match of choice expression. I will write it here. Case, what is this? Label 1. What I will write it? Block of statements I'll write or not? Look at. Come on, make it fast. Again, I will write what here? Case label 2. Case label 2. Case label 2. This is called case label 2. Like that, I will write how many? Like this, I may be having n number of case labels. There I am writing case label n, case label n. And the last what I am writing, ma'am? What I am writing? Default case block. Default case block to be written last or first? Last. We cannot write in the beginning. And after finishing that, you come out of that parallel to match what I am writing here, other statements in the program. Other statements in program. See that now carefully. Did you understand the flow? Our choice expression is compared with every case label. If it is matching, corresponding indentation block will execute, and later it will execute what? Other statement. If it is not matching here, it will come to the next label. If it is matching, it will execute and execute the other statement. Still it is not matching, go to other. Still it is not matching, any one of the case label not matching, go to where? Default case block. After executing any one of the case label, it will execute what statements? Other statement. This is a simple syntax. Explanation I will show you. Did you understand the flow of it? Coming to online students, are you okay? Now coming to this case study 2. Take care students. Here I will take, my dear students, go to the same point. Here I will carry because it is easy for you to understand at this level. Enter your choice. Here I will remove what? Int I will remove. Why I am removing int, ma? Why I am removing int? They are strs. So is it giving str or not? Tell me. What I will write it? R I will write it. Code for what? Rectangle. I will write what here? Yes, I will write it. What is the code for what? Square. Square. Next I will write what? C I will write it. Code for what? Okay. Circle. Next I will write what? T I will write it. Can I write in single quotes? Yes. Triple double quotes. Triple double quotes. Yes. Code for what here? Triangle. Triangle I can write it. Triangle I can write it. And I will write what next? What is that? E. E I will write it. E I will write it. So E I will write it. Saying what? Code for exit. Code for what? Exiting. And next I don't want to have this type of thing. I will write this. Default block is recommended, right? Just to say the message to convincing to other selection of operation is wrong. Clear? Now, students, carefully follow. Suppose if this message is coming, enter your choice. If that message is given, end user is supposed to enter the case label in which format? Capital cases you need to enter or not? So if we give, end user don't know where is the caps lock. For example, don't worry about it. Whether the user is experienced keyboard person or not, we don't know. So we want to give to the facility to the end user, either in capital R will let him enter or small R also let him enter. Understand my point? Let him enter either smaller or capital R. So how to do this, student? I can do the same thing. If at all you want to give more flexibility to the end user point of it, you can write like this, students. What way you can write it? Enter your choice. You are supposed to write a let him enter either capital R or small R. Which code I need to execute? So that time what you will write it? That time I will write what? Small R also I need to write or not? So who will connect this capital R and small R? Come on. Come on. Or generally everybody will think what? Come on. Everybody will think what? Like this. Capital R and this one. But I should not apply. They implemented R is there. And then one more is called bitwise R is there. Which one is faster? Bitwise R is faster. The match case is designed with what? Bitwise R we need to apply. That means the point to remember here is when we want to give multiple case labels, when we want to give multiple case labels for one operation, those multiple case labels must be represented by what? Bitwise R operator. Here also, tell me, I will write it. Single code, yes, I can write. It is double quotes here, small single quotes, no issue. Here also I can write it what? I can write what here? C, I can write it. C. Here I can write it what here? I can write double quotes what? T. Here I can write what here? I can write what? Small e, I can write it. Are you able to follow? Huh? Small t, okay, small t, I can write it. What is the speciality here? The speciality here is when multiple case labels you want to give it, that multiple case labels are separated or connected with what? Bitwise OR operator. Either if you want to go like this, single case labels are available like this. If you want to give multiple case labels, they must be connected with what? Bitwise OR operator, we need to use it. Are you able to follow? Now, if you want, you can apply your intelligence also. What is your intelligence? Suppose your choice is coming like that. What you can do? You can make it as what? Upper, you can write it. You can convert it or not. You can convert like that also. So there are a lot of solutions are there, one problem, student. It is your own choice. You want to write upper, you can write it. You want to write this code, I want to write it. Because in my explanation, I want to say that multiple case labels are there. How do you take it? If multiple case labels are coming in front of you, they must be connected with what? Bitwise OR operator. If you want to take any AND operation inside, you will use bitwise AND operation, not OR, OR, and AND. No. Physical ANDing, physical ORing, we should not use it. Which one you have to use? Bitwise OR, bitwise AND you need to use. In this case, what I should use? Bitwise OR. So case labels, if you want to take it, OR operator only we need to take it. Shall I go for explanation now? Is it understandable? Now I want to bring it one small description. Instead of writing the description to you, I would like to show you students one conditional operation. I would like to take it. Match case, I want to bring it. I want to bring it at your stage. So here, conditional statement under this now, I want to show you this, students. Please follow me. I will say, please follow this now carefully. Start reading. Here, match case is one of the new feature of Python 3.10 version onwards. Match statement is recommended to take in deciding pre-designed conditions in menu-driven applications. Syntax: match choice expression, case label 1, block of statements 1, case choice label 2, block of statements, case choice label 3, block of statements. So on, case label choice label n, block of statements n. Case underscore, what is this? Default case block, default block of statements, other statements in the program. See the explanation, students? Come on, here first. Here match and case are keywords. And you should be so careful, students. You should remember me what I explained. Is it keywords now? If they ask anybody, will you rectify, will you justify by yourself? Don't say my sir said like that, I am also saying like that. Your sir also said the internal point of it. Anything is under bug fixing stage. They are not still made as keywords. They did not make it as a keyword. They will make it as a keyword when it comes to security part. Okay, na? After 1 or 2 months, that will be made as security. That time it will become what? Keywords. Suppose if I write not keywords, you are having the notes for 3 months or 4 months or 6 months, 1 year also. After 1 year, it will become definitely secured. Still, if it is there not keyword, that time we'll get a problem. That's why I'm giving, keep that things in the mind. Come on, choice expression represents either int type, str type, or bool type. Come on, follow me. If choice expression is matching with the case label 1, then PVM executes block of statements 1 and later executes other statements in the program. That means if the choice expression is matching with the case label 1, execute the corresponding block of statement and execute what? Other statements in program. Come on, next. If choice expression is matching with the case label 2, then PVM executes block of statements 2 and later executes other statements in program. In general, choice expression is trying to match with the case label 1, case label 2, case label n. Then PVM executes corresponding block of statements and later executes other statements in the program. Clear? In general, choice expression is matching with any one of the case labels. If they match with the particular case label, that block of statements will execute. Later it will execute what? Other statements in the program. Clear? Next. If the choice expression is not matching with any of the specified labels, then PVM executes default block of statements which are written under default case block. What is the symbol of it? Case underscore. And later executes other statements in the program. Writing a default case block is optional. And if we write, then it must be written last. Otherwise, we get syntax error. Next, please. When we represent multiple case labels under one case, then those case labels must be combined with bitwise OR operator. So total concept, I put it in this format. Okay, now? So what is the flow chart? Flow chart is something like equal to what? Our if elif statement only looking like. Flow chart is also something like what? If elif kind of statement. Okay, now shall we go for the examples? Concept clearer, syntax clearer, and I will go to the programming part. Already some case studies are indicated or not? We will implement this kind of thing. So let us go to the further. Online students, did you understand, guys? Please respond. All the students, 333 students are there. Good number, 9 number, lucky number today. So please respond it. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Which will implement the following. Which will implement the following. Which will implement the following use case. Which will implement the following use case. Which will implement the following use case. Please copy down as it is. Whatever is highlighted, you copy down as it is. Online students, are you writing or sitting only in front of the system? Writing, good. Good students. Okay, Muhammad Ibrahim writing. Josna writing. Manish Chandra writing. Naveen is writing. Good. Do it. Who is that? Nemo Fisa. Who is this? NEMO FISA. Nemo Fisa. What is the name? Some name. This part you take it. This highlighted part you take it. Written. Write down. Lazy is not good. If not writing, whoever is not writing, I will take your application form. I will call to your parents. I will tell them straightforward. If you don't write nothing, I lose. Will I lose anything? I never lose anything. It's your wish. So, okay, man, no problem. No problem. What is your name, ma? You taken default nickname of mine. No problem, student. No problem, my dear student. What is your name? Okay, Amarnath. Okay, good. Where, no problem, student. Shall we start up? Shall we implement this? Let's start. Go to the place. I'll go to the place. Go to where? PyCharm. Go to PyCharm. Students in online, come to the point. Try to see the implementation. All of you tell the code now. So let's close this project. Go to the point. 6 p.m. conditional statements ready or not? And these are the examples. I gave some homeworks for you yesterday. I hope you implemented it. Now, let's close this entire thing. Let's go to the point. Now I'm writing new. I'll say here. So match case example1.py. Match case example1.py. Program for writing here. Program for implementing all arithmetic operations by using match case. Okay. Start. Look at this implementation, student. I want to print as it is like that. How can you display this line? These are all called display work or not? Any idea? Okay. Right. See, students, I'll give you. Here I will see. I'll write it. Print off what I will do. Writing like this 50. Right? Come on now. Print off. I am writing here arithmetic operations. Listen, guys. Don't discuss by yourself. Arithmetic operations. Now, inside of it, I am going to take it what? \t. 1 for what? Addition. So next, the second is called what? \t. 2 for subtraction. Like that, I will take it what? 3 for multiplication. So multiplication. And next is called what? 4 for what? Division. 4 for division. A big example this is. 4 for division. Next, 5 for what? Floor division. I will take it. Floor division. Main target is how to write the code properly. 6th one, modulo division. So modulo division. Writing here. Modulo division. Next is what here? 7. What is the 7th one? Exponentiation. 8th is called what? Right, exit. I'll take it as exit. Okay. Look at, students. I'll try to run this and see the effect of that. Are you following me? This is our result. This is our menu which is available here. Now, I'll take it here, students. Next, after finishing that, now I'm writing CH is equal to int of input of enter your choice. Done. So choice is ready. What is the choice here? It can be either 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So I need to write or not? Tell me, how do you write it? Match, everybody, of CH. Match of what? CH. Yes. Indentation symbol. Come on. Case 1. Every indentation symbol immediately followed by what? Indentation block. If I run this now, you will get an error. What is this? Indentation error. Expected indentation block. Suppose for different reasons, I want to postpone my indentation block. Okay, that you will remember perfectly. So case 2, I will write what? Pass. Case 3, I'll just planning. Case 4, pass. Case 5, I'll say pass. Case 6, I'll write pass. Case 7, pass. Case 8, what? Print off. I'll write thanks for using this program. I'm writing that. I'll say simply what? Exit off. I'll write what next? Case underscore. Even I don't need to write it. Are you following me? And I'm writing. See my cursor where it is waiting. It is coming out of the match case indentation block or not? What should I write it now? Print program execution completed. Program execution completed. Are you following? Try to run it once, students. Now I am entering, for example, 8. 8. What is happening? Thanks for using the program. It is exiting. Exit means what? It is not executing other statements. That is called a physical termination, we can call. Earlier, if I come to further, you don't use it. Already here, no need to use exit, student. But I am using, because in the further I want to use that exit statement. If I enter 8, it is coming to 8. It will execute. It is coming to other statement only. Now see that, run it once again. You say 8 here, students. 8 you see. What is coming? Thanks for using this program. Program execution completed or not? What is the difference between with exit, without exit? If I use exit, from here only program execution is finished. PVM will not go to further statements. Later I will tell you what is the difference between physical termination and logical termination in the coding part. So right now I am not writing exit. Even if I write exit also, no issue. Now start writing the code for what? First operation slowly. What is the first operation? Addition. Now I need to get it what here? We need to get 2 values. Under 2 values, you need to do the addition. Strictly, I am going to say what? Enter 2 values for addition. 2 values for addition. Print statement I am using. A comma B is equal to what I am doing? Int of input of what here? Input of. Did you understand this line? What is this line, students? Multi-line assignment. One simple print statement will apply 2 input statement. You understand? I hope so, students. This input will putting the value into this place. This input will print it in where? B. Got it up? Now, coming to the point back, now I will print. What I am writing here? Sum of writing like this is equal to, like this I am writing. Dot format of A comma B comma A plus B. Clear up? Something like that. Similarly, I will write what here? Similarly, I will write the statement for what? Same thing. Copy, paste. I will say here, since I decided to write it, I will take up here, coming here. Enter 2 values for what? Sub. Enter 2 values for sub. I will take it here, sub. And I'll write what here? Minus. Similarly, I will go for what multiplication, I will take it. So multiplication, I will take it. MUL, I will take it. MUL. I will take it here. No need to take same AB, student. You can take K comma V also, no issue. I will take their K. I'll take their V. And I will take it as what? K star V, I can take it. It is your own choice of things. Okay. This is comes under MUL. Similarly, I will take it as what? Dot format of K comma V comma. Okay. K comma V comma, you need to take it. Similarly, I will go for what here? Division, I will take it. Division, I will take it. It's a normal division. DIV, I will take it. What is the normal division here? K by V. K by V. I'll write here K by V. So I wrote it. What is this now? DIV. Next, I will take it as what? Another time, floor division, I will take it. So go to the place. Floor division, I will take it. There I am going to take it. I say here floor division. Floor division of, I will apply what? Double slash I will apply. Double slash I will apply. And next I will go for what? Modulo division I will apply. Modulo division I will apply. So here I will write it. Minimum 1 tab space. You need to maintain it in everywhere else. And this is called what? Modulo division. There I will take percent of I will apply. Here I am writing mod operation. Now I'll go for 7. There I will take. So I'll go for what here? Another type of thing. Exponentiation, right? Enter. Here I will write. Separately I will write, students. You try to understand me. Here I am writing some different statement. I will write it. What are the different statement? Try to follow. Here, enter base. Enter what? Base. Next I will write what here? Enter power. Enter what? Power. Enter power. Are you following this? Multi-line assignment reading part. I will write it here. POW of. I will write it here. Case double star V. Getting? K double star V written. And I stopped it. And which one I did not write here? I did not write a default case block here. I wrote all the operations here. Try to run this now. Enter your operation 1. What is happening? Addition related values. Already you know the coding. 10 and 20. I got the answer called what? Sum. And execution is what? Program execution completed. Next you run it once again. There I will say 2. 120 here. The answer is called 80. You run it once again 3. So 2 and 6. Answer is like that. Next I'll go for what? 130. 100. I entered 100. By mistake, I entered 100. What is simply happening? It is not saying anything else. Recommended message. For giving that recommended messages, I'll write what? Default case block. Say something like what? 4. You say 100. And next is called 30. What is the answer? 3.3333, etc. You say next 5. You say 10 and say 4. 2 is an answer. Actually, 2.5 is an answer. 2 is an answer. Next, I'll go for what next? 10. Sorry, what is this now? 6. Say the answer called 10 and then say 4. Remainder is going to come. How much is the remainder? 2 is the remainder, modulus. Next, I'll go for last and final. Say 7. 7 is called what? Base. 10 to the power of minus 2. 10 to the power of minus 2 is nothing but 1 by 10 square. 1 by 10 square means 1 by 100. 1 by 100 means 0.01. 0.01. We go for normally 7, you take it, enter the base, some 3 and 3 to the power of 3. It is called 27. 3 cube. Following? Now, my point of thing is, I'll enter the choice called 123. 123 is not at all satisfying my case labels. What should I do? If it is giving like that, no case labels are matching, simply going out of the program flow. To avoid this type of unrecommended messages, always recommended to write what? Case underscore. There I will write it. Print off. What should I do? Your selection of operation. Your selection of operation is wrong. Selection of operation is wrong. So selection of operation is wrong. I can say the word called what? Try again. Try again. So many times I am going to use this type of match case in our examples. So many number of menu driven things are coming. Let us run this now. Enter your choice. Some minus 2. Minus 2 is not there at all. Your selection of operation is wrong. Try again. I'll write here something like 234. Selection of operation is wrong. Now, you run this code. Keep this code, last part of it, in the beginning of our match case. In the beginning of our match case. Observe once. Observe once here. Are you following? When you write it, beginning only it is keeping a red symbol there. Red symbol indicates what? Error. Warning is there. What is that warning? You try to run it, you'll be getting. Please read out. This is giving an error. You cannot write in the part of beginning. You cannot write this in the middle also. You cannot write in the middle of the program also. You cannot write it. You cannot write in the middle of the program also. You cannot. So I'm writing here like this. Also error. Also error. Same type of error. Line number 29, you cannot write it. Line number 29, you cannot write it. 29 is here. 29, you cannot write it. So coming to the point back, you cut this and totally write it which side? Last you need to write. Go to the last part of it. I'll write here. I hope you are understanding the meaning of what? Selection of operation is wrong. Where to write it? What is this is known as? Default case block. Done? Online students, did you understand this entire discussion? Is it understandable? Right. Next, open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will implement the following. Write a Python program which will implement the following. You just take this part, which will implement the following. On the screen you see, and then copy down as it is. Offline students, if you have any doubts, you can raise your hand. I can talk to you. Online students, I will be talking to you at the end of the class to every student every day. If you now, will you do it or shall I do it? Will you do it? Right. You may have a doubt. Thus, this type of thing. This example, I will tell you one more pattern. I will tell you. What is the formula here? A little doubt about you. What is this now? L into B. What is the square here? Come on. S into S. What is this circle now? 3.3 pi r square. 3.14 is the pi. Into what? R into R. R is the radius there. What is this now? Of 1/2 into what? B, and one more is H. By this time, you know, this is a beginning level I told. By this time, you know all the operators now. There is one more formula is there, student. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C is also there. Where S is equal to what? A plus B plus C by 2 na 3 ah? 2 na 3 now. You got a doubt, correct? 2. 3 or 2 ah? 2 ne. 2. And don't tell me 3 sides are there, by 3s are like that. So A side is given, B is A is given, B is given, C is given. Okay, write 2. If you see the mathematics book, if anything is there, write 3. And the formula is not a matter here. How do you implement this code is important. If it is 2, write 2. If it is 3, you write 3. Okay, now? If you want, you can follow this type of formula also. Base and height is given, this is a 1. When 3 sides are given, you follow this kind of formula. SQRT, you know how to write it now? Next. After that, what? Exit, anyhow, you will do it. Okay, now? So, shall I go to one more example? Now, I am going to take one more example. So, anyhow, you will do this as a homework. H by doubling. Now, I am going to take one more example here. Multiple things. Match case example 2, you will do it. One more example I want to take care. Look at students. To tell you this type of thing, which one? This multiple labels for one thing, I just want to go for it. Watch this now. Second example, I am going to take it. Here. Match case example 2.py. Match case example 2.py. There I am writing. Here I want to take up something like this. Week names are there, na? Week names. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like that. These are all called what? Pre-designed. You are designing a pre-designing. Monday to Friday or what? Monday to Friday, weekend or weekdays, working days. Saturday is what? Weekend. Sunday is what? Holiday. You don't know, you are preparing action plans, you don't know. Of course, not you, your friends. Okay, students, come on. WKN is equal to, week name is equal to input of enter what? Week name. Try to follow some example I am preparing. Follow me. What is this week name? This week name, you are entering Monday to Sunday. Monday to Sunday. You are entering some other day other than this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. That is which block? Default block. Monday to Saturdays are called what? Case labels. Correct? Now, I am taking. How do you do now? Match of what? Different operations I am doing, students. Take care. Match WKN. Case. What I am writing now? Monday. What I am writing? First example. Print of what? Is what? Working day. Seriously, keep your concentration. Dot format of what? WKN. WKN. Dot format of WKN. Okay, now? Next is called what? Case TUES. Tuesday. So I'm writing there some indentation. Is also called what? Working day. Is also called working day. Okay. Next I am writing here. What is this now? Wednesday. So I am writing NESS. Wednesday. Is also called what? Working day. Is also called working day. So next I am writing first, actually directly I am not writing our solution. I am writing one by one. Later I will conclude it. What is this now? Thursday. Thursday is also called what? Working day. Next I am writing like this. What is this now? Friday. So Friday I am writing. What is this Friday now? Also called working day. Next is called what here? Saturday. What is this? Weekend. Weekend. So weekend. So next is called what later? Sunday. So I'm writing here Sunday. Sunday. So there I am writing what? Holiday. So holiday. Next I am writing case. What is the need of writing case? I already told you. See here, print of is not a weekday. Is not a weekday. Dot format of what? WKN. WKN. Following? This is my simple example without menu, because these are already menu is already designed. So let us run this code. Go to the place. Match case example 2. Use same WKN here. So Monday. I am writing that. What is coming? Working day. I will write it something like, Thursday. Thursday. I am writing. What is this is called? Also working day. Now I will write here Saturday. What is this Saturday is called? SATURDAY. Some spelling mistake, huh? SATUR. R is missing. Now you run it. So here I am writing what? Saturday. I am taking. What is this Saturday is called? Weekend. You write it. Sunday. Is called what? Holiday. Now use enter. Now enter. Week name. So Python day. I am writing something Python day. Is not a weekday. So this indicates end user is entering the data in the form of what? Capitals. But end user, there is no requirement that he may enter in any order, right? How do you write it in that case? There are two things are there. One is called what? Upper off, you can write it. Now start writing. Suppose if I don't write upper off, you already understand that point. Python is a case sensitive language. Monday I am writing here. What is happening? Is not a weekday. Why it is going to where? Default case. It is compared with what? Capital Monday. It is not matching. That's why it is the problem. What I will do there? Dot what? Upper off. I will write it. Then you start writing now. Understand? Now what should I do now? Come on. Monday you write it. Monday. You say that it is a working day. You enter in any combination. TUESDAY. You enter in any combination. You will get this is a working day. You write it something like SATURDA and then Y, small y. Is it called what? Weekend. So like this, I can enter SUNDAY. Like this, I am entering. Is also something like this. Are you following? And if you look at that, this working day, this is the same logic is available for multiple times or not? So instead of this, these three things, Monday to Friday, having the same logic, I don't want to write such a big statement again and again. I want to write in a clubbing manner. All the case labels, I want to club it. How do you do this? Now I'm going for one more example. With bitwise operator, I'm going to use it. What is this now? Match case example 3.py. Match case example 3.py. Try to do that. Try to copy this code. There I am taking. How it is taking here. You come to this place. What should I do? Observe it now. What I do here? I say, what here? Tuesday. First of all, I will not write all these things. What I will write it now? Come on, start. Tuesday, I am writing. Tuesday, I am writing. In single quota, double quota, that is not a point. Or Wednesday. So, I'll write here like this. Next, I am writing or what I am writing now? THURSDAY. Or operator, I will write it. What is the next? Friday, I am writing. Next, what I am writing? That's all. These are all things are comes under what? One logic for all of them. So compulsory how to use what? Multiple case labels, same logic is coming. Okay, no? Suppose if you take a months in the calendar, some months will have what? 30 days. Some months will have 31 days. Some months, 1 month will have 28 or 29 days. February, if it depends on the leap year and all, right or not? In further, I will tell you that example also. So further, I am going to say here. Now come to the point, students. Saturday, anyhow, I have to write separate. Sunday, I have to write anyhow separate. So the main intention of this example is using like this. Execute it. Now try to enter now. So I'm writing here Monday. And smaller or upper, I am entering that. What is coming? Working day. You enter here Thursday. Yes, a small DAY. Something is in capital, something is in that. Now last and final, FRI. DAY you enter, also working day. You go for what you know, Saturday. Saturday you enter, something is upper and something is weekend. I'll say here what you know, Sunday I'm entering. Are you getting my point? Done. Now, I'm asking one small question. Next level, I want to go for one more time. What is the next one I want to ask you? My intention is, let me take this example. I want to check you whether you are able to get it or not. So here I will take it what, you know, match case example 4.py. Now try to copy this 4.py. Now my question is, the end user is entering Monday in any order. First 3 letters only I want to take it. Some of the calendars if you take MON, TUE, like that it will be there or not. So end user can enter in any one of the either MON or TUE or Tuesday or Monday or any of the first 3 letters are complete weekday. That I want to do it. There I want to take it as what? There I want to take it as working day now. All these things I want to take it. So I will write it what here? MON. Come on. TUE. Next is called a WED. Next is called what? THU. And next is what? FRI. Here I would like to take it what? SCAT. SUN. Like that I am taking. Okay now? Try to see the students. Match case example 4. Try to run this. Careful. Online students. Execute. What I am entering, for example, Sunday I am entering. Is it matching up? Then what do you do? It is going to where default case block coming or not? It is not at all matching. Not matching, not matching. It is coming to where? Default. It is giving you what here? Is not a weekday. Are you getting? And next one more I will ask you. If I enter SUN, also coming to what? SUN small, converted into what? Upper, and it is matching and it is giving the things. Now if I enter something like what you know, THURSDAY, if it is coming, it is comes under what? Not a weekday. Then my question here is, if I enter only THU, it is giving you what? Working day. Irrespective of 3 letters or complete week name, I want to print that as what? Working day. Any logic is there with you? That is my question here. Students on the online, first of all, did you understand my question? Any logic? Fast. Slicing, good. Stand up, very good. Implement. Tell me. Line number 2, 3, 4, where? Line number 3, very good. What should I write? Upper of here, WKN. Upper of WKN. Okay, very good. Square brackets. Very good. 0 to 4. 0 to 4. Good. Keep it up. 0 to 4. Malosa. Again, I will come to you. It's very good. Up to here, he is satisfied. It's nice. One more time, I will come. What is this 0 to 4? When you take Monday and Tuesday, anything you take it, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that it is coming around. First 3 letters means what? 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2 means what? 0, comma what? 4 or 3? 3 I need to take. Right? 0 to 3. 0 to 4. Okay, I really appreciate him. 4, 3, whatever, we will adjust it. This logic, striking this answer is very important. I really appreciate him. Okay, do it. Run this code now. Online students, did you understand? Now you do that. Now run it now. Start. What I am entering? Monday. What is coming? Working day. Actually, I entered Monday. What is taken here? WKN Monday. From Monday, what it is taking? MON. That MON is which letter? Capital. It is capital is converted to capital only, no problem. You write it once again. What I am using? Tuesday. What is Tuesday? Is also working day. TUU only taking. That is converted into what? Upper. Nice. Next is called what? Saturday. SATURDAY. Whatever the way I am entering, I am getting. Is called what? Weekend. Now I am entering SUNDAY. Is called what again? Holiday. Understood, guys? Okay, you don't design the logic, no problem. But after writing the logic, did you understand? 2 category students will be there. 2 category. 3 untaru. And if I say, you may feel it, but you don't feel it. I know that. One is designing the logic students. Number 1 category. These will become in the near future scientists, they will become. Understanding logic, designing logic capacity is not there. Understanding logics, they will definitely become programmers, team leaders, project managers, definitely they will become. Another students are there. Neither define the logics nor understand the logics. Simply they will watch on the board. They will become senior citizens. So, already Vivek is saying that. Before me only he said. Because he understand my mindset already. So, that's why. Once if I say certain logic, try to understand how it is working. Slicing is already over now. Now, shall I put one more question? Right. Look at students. My dear students. I am taking Manohar, I am writing. Manohar, I am writing. What is happening? Manohar is a working day. Wrong or right? So here test case is becoming fail. Test case becoming fail or not? Yes. Next, one more student, one more name. So THU, right? Tushara. Some name of the student. What is that? Is working day. Is it working day? No. That means the letters which you are starting, you are taking indexing, slicing, good. But what is that? Something wrong is actually you need to give it is what? Not a weekday. I need to give it or not? Yes. So are you able to follow? So Sanskar is saying that monali. Yes. Monali. Mona Lisa. Is a working day. Is it working day? Right. So, okay. Samyukta is saying that Sandhya. Okay. Sandhya. So, like that. It is called what? Holiday. Now. So, coming to students, for that, can you give any logic, students? Now I need to go for it. Something like this. See, ma, if WKN, I am writing. You compulsory you need to take this logic. WKN in where all the weekdays you need to take it. Compulsory you need to take what? All the weekdays. That too how I am taking, dot what I am taking, upper of, in of, I should take it, all these things I will take it, See students, I am writing, comma, you have to follow me students, membership operator, I am writing like this, here I am writing, so taking like this, comma, what should I write it now? Monday. Next what I am writing now? Tuesday. Now I need to take it what? Because once you are developing an application, compulsory what should you take it? All the possibilities, conditions I have to write it. Next is called what? Thursday. I will write it. Here you need to write it. Thursday. Next I will write it what? Friday. I need to write it. Next is called what? Come on. Saturday. Next is what? Sunday. So I need to write like this. This is called what? List. If that is the case, indentation. I need to take it like this or not? Indentation. See, default case block, at this case, I need not to write it. Why? I am validating here only. I am coming to match case only in the case of what? Correct validation. I'll say, if this is the case, you go for this. Else you do what? You remove that and say what? WKN is not a weekday. Are you okay, students? Now try to run it. So, which line? Third line, MON. Check it out once. Okay, here I did not write. SAT, SUN. Like this, you need to write it. Try to run, students. Match case 4. So, Sandhya. So, what is that? Not a weekday. Who is that? Mona Lisa. Right? Not a weekday. Next is called what? Tulasiya. Okay, good. So, not a weekday. Meek anni subject okkati telu anni telustunga motham. You know everything. Everything you know. So, next is called what? Manohar. Is called what here? Not a weekday. Now you say completely. Monday. What is Monday? Working day. Now you say Saturday. Saturday. You say what? Weekend. Now you say Sunday. Sunday is called what? Holiday. Like this. Now somebody is saying that. Satish. Like this. What is this now? Not a weekday. Are you understanding this? This type of logic striking is important. Will you practice all these things? Now, this is comes under, I used a what operator here? Right, bitwise or. Suppose by mistake if you write what, or if you write it, see that automatically error is coming. Automatically error is coming. You try to see that invalid syntax it is. Invalid syntax. We cannot use it. I have to go for using like this. Okay, students? Now, so this is about which operation, which kind of topic it is? Match case. So if I come back to my conditional statements, simple if statement, if else statement, if else statement, match case statement we understood now. Match case statement we understood. So now, if I go to my place, here, flow control if I take it, there if you open it, there is the first part we understand here, conditional statements completed. I'll go for next looping I need to introduce. So if I introduce looping, it won't complete it because it is also discussing more number of examples will be done. When I come to looping, I will combine what also? Conditional also. This I will explain tomorrow session. Tomorrow I will start while loop and for loop I will explain. And I already told you 24th, that is coming Monday, 4 p.m. New batch Python is starting. New batch Python is starting. Any friends are there? You can intimate. Right, students. So I'll stop my class and tomorrow I'll go for what? Looping statements I will discuss. Online students, Manish Chandra. You wait, ma. I'll show you the downloading process of PyCharm for you. Right, students. And I will give you, ma, Samyukta. I will give you the link for you. Still time is there, na? I will give you that. Don't worry about it. Thank you, students. All the best.